In this video, I'm going to show you how to check your battery health on your iPhone. So let's go to our settings. And once you're in your settings, the only thing you need to do here is go ahead and click on battery. And this gives you a lot of information as far as what your battery is used. It gives you the last charge, it gives you the percentages, it gives you your daily use and what apps kind of use up your battery throughout that day. But what you want to do here is scroll down and until you find the bottom part here where it says battery health. And as it says, it does say battery health is normal. It gives you the maximum capacity and the cycle count. It's the number of times your iPhone has used your battery's capacity. So just keep that in mind. But this gives you a general sense of what your battery is doing. My phone is one of the newer phones. It's barely a year old, if not still under that year-old age. But that gives you an idea of how the battery is doing. But that's it. It's super simple and super easy. Like I said, you can back out of here and really get a good idea of what apps in the background are using your battery throughout the day. But that's it. It's super simple and super easy to check your battery health on your iPhone.